So you are looking for a free professional PDF editor just like Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. You are a student, or simply someone who can't afford Adobe's expensive subscription, and you don't want to use pirated software on your computer, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll share with you a professional PDF editor that lets you edit text, insert images, add comments, organize pages, protect your PDFs, convert PDFs to and from different formats, compress existing PDF files, and even create brand new PDFs from scratch, all without spending a single penny. Hi there. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to set up Geekersoft PDF Editor Professional from the official website and claim a free professional subscription through an official promotion without any kind of piracy. First, open Google and search for Geekersoft PDF Editor. Visit the official website at geekersoft.com. I recommend taking a quick look through the documentation provided. It's not required, but it can help you understand the software and its features. Next, download the installer from the official website and install the application. The installer is only 12 megabytes in size, making it very lightweight and smooth to run, even on older computers. Once the download is complete, run the installer and finish the installation process. To upgrade to the Professional Edition, simply use the promo code provided by the developers. As always, you'll find the link in the description box below. Keep in mind that you only have 5 days left to claim this promotion, so don't wait too long. Alright, we've successfully upgraded the application to the Professional Edition, and now we have access to all of its premium features completely free. One important thing to remember: do not update the application, as updating it may deactivate your free professional activation. Also, this promotional subscription does not include free technical support from the developers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please hype the video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.